Hey Sarah, it's Marcy here from earlier recording your video for you. I'm going to keep this brief, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to explain to you guys 3 things that you can do today that are really bringing value to your company and start outranking your competitors online. The 3 things that I'll touch on are going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So to begin with content, Google, when a site hits the web, what Google does is it finds it and then it goes in there and crawls it, and what it's looking for is keywords. It's looking for what it is that you do, so that then they know what to serve you up for in the results. Today I use just the term furnace repair. That's how I found you. But with your business, you guys have tons of keywords and tons of different things that you can rank for. That somebody might possibly be typing into the browser. So Google likes to see anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on the homepage. It is definitely one of the most highly neglected factors in ranking websites all across the entire internet. So the good news about that is if you wanted to, get ranking higher, beat out your competitors, it's not that difficult because hardly anybody else has a lot of content. But you want, keyword rich, authoritative, well written, you want it to be unique. You don't want anything plagiarized on there causing you grief. But, as I said, Google wants to search up the most relevant results because they want to keep people on their search engine. It's in their best interest. So that's what it is that they're looking for. As far as then backlinks, what a backlink is it is a place, it's when other websites on the internet link back to your site. So if you think of the internet as a big popularity contest, the more websites you have linking back to yours, and Google goes out and crawls and it sees this, then they're going to see your business as the popular guy. They're going to say, okay, well, let's push this one up. That's the popular one. As I said, I did the furnace repair as the keyword, and quickly how Google lays out their first page. They're always going to have the paid ads up here, the businesses that aren't ranking, so they pay to be on the first page. And then these ones here is your map listing, your Google My Business listing, and being one of these 3 is obviously pretty nice real estate for the first page of Google. And then down here, we call this section the organic section. So I've taken this business that Yelp was the first Better Business Bureau. So this is the first one that's an actual business in your niche, the number 1 ranking business. So I took it as a comparison so we can take a look at the backlinks and you can see why it is. Backlinks really contribute to the ranking in the organic section. So here they are in here. This tool shows me that they have 71 other websites on the internet that are linking back to theirs, giving them 430 backlinks. They're being found for about 500 words. When you put you guys in here, you guys have 43 backlinks, referring domains, giving you 187 backlinks. You're being found for about 271 words. So, they had roughly 411 traffic to their website a month, and then you can see the difference with just having a little bit more powerful on the backlinks. It's the difference of being higher up in the rankings, right? Being on the first page, being in that number 1 position, as much as you can. I mean, businesses can say, well, I just want to rank for a couple of keywords, or I want to rank for all the keywords. There's ways to going around doing the research and deciding what it is that you're wanting to build your rankings for. Let me take a look here. Well done. It's always good to have a lot of nice reviews. Things like that will help with your maps listing to help you up into possibly one of those 3 spots. Here I would wonder, just by looking at it, I myself would probably, because I'm pretty sure you guys probably serve more, that I shouldn't assume, more than Langford, right? So you might want to adjust, optimize that a little bit just to get it a bigger area, telling Google and telling everybody else that you search, you serve a bigger area, Google. So they're going to put you up higher in the rankings when people search in not just in Langford, but somewhere else in Victoria. And then something else that really contributes to who's going to be up in these 3 spots are the third thing that I was going to talk about, citations. What a citation is it's a place on the internet where you would find your exact business name, address, and phone number. So as well as having a nice optimized listing on there, the number of places that your business is cited contributes to them pushing you up in the rankings for the map section. So I'm just going to leave it there. I don't want to overwhelm you with information, Sarah, but I'm going to shoot this email off to you, and I will follow up. I want to make sure that you got it, and I'd love to hear your feedback. So thanks.